AANANDA Foundation, a Guwahati-based philanthropic trust, has announced the launch of a grant program aimed at promoting inclusive development across Northeast India with a focus on supporting initiatives for persons with disabilities. Founders of AANANDA said the program is designed to provide financial and institutional assistance to organizations working to improve lives of differently abled individuals in the region as part of its broader commitment to equitable growth and social inclusion. Founded in the memory of Minoti Rajkowa and Suresh Chandra Rajkowa, the AANANDA Foundation was established by a family seeking to honor a legacy of humility, service, and dedication to community welfare. It underscored its commitment to creating opportunities for marginalized communities with particular emphasis on advancing the rights and well-being of children with disabilities. Through targeted grants, strategic collaborations, and expanded stakeholder engagement, the Foundation aims to contribute to inclusive development in the Northeast and beyond. The Foundation has also opened applications for its first grant cycle. Individuals below 45 years of age, along with initiatives focused on improving the lives of children with disabilities under 18 years, have been invited to apply through its official website.
The essence of the foundation, or what drives us in the foundation, is that we feel that every child deserves a fair chance. And every child deserves to feel included, to be supported, and to live with dignity. And this is particularly more important for those children with disabilities who are often left in the margin. So we do recognize that across Northeast India, there are a number of organizations and individuals who work round the clock with such children, and they work tirelessly to support not only the children but their families. And the driving force behind the foundation is that we would like to recognize the work of such individuals, try and support them through small grants and financial initiatives so that they can carry on with their work. It's not a massive amount of funding that we have, but in a small way, that's the way we want to start. Who are below the, as the poster clearly says, below the age of 45, who work with children. Children are classified from 0 to 18. That's how we have identified. And these individuals may or may not be staying in the Northeast. Right? They could be from the Northeast working elsewhere, staying elsewhere, or in the Northeast at grassroots levels. But they have to, in their application, clearly demonstrate how their work is going to impact, influence work which is happening in the Northeast. And Northeast includes all our 7 states.
8 states.
8 states. Sorry.
We are giving this not to a person with disabilities, but
yes,
to
important.
someone or an organization who is working for for the benefit of children with disabilities. And this grant that we are giving, or this the foundation is it's specifically for Northeastern,
yes, it's for
Northeastern region in particular. So we are trying to sort of reach out to people in all the states of Northeast India, and this is obviously we've done it in Assam. And now we have come here, we'd like to go to other states as well, and to get as many applications as we can from people who live in the Northeast. And they could be anyone, somebody who's working, maybe somebody who's doing therapy, who's on a very positive scale.
You might have the question, so...
Yeah, that also. So, to an individual or to a group of individuals, to an institution who is working in the field of, of children.
Disability inclusion. So the